Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Legend Pharmacy. See, very important doubts here. Sir, how to clear backlogs from next semester? Means now I am in third semester, sir. In next semester means now just you have completed your third semester. Okay. Now you are going to write the exam for the fourth semester. Now the second question is, and when is B Pharmacy results? Now what you have wrote the examination, no? In the month of this month only, June month, what you wrote the exam, no? In the month of June, sir, when the result will become, what the acceptations date? So these two important questions we will discuss in this video. So be in this video until last and try to get the knowledge. See, how to clear backlogs from next semester. This one is, you can easily clear your backlogs in upcoming semester. Within that upcoming semester, definitely if you follow these steps and these points, means 100% I am giving guarantee for you, you will pass your backlogs. So give your concentration towards me only. Let's start. First point, and the most important point is, see, you have to be patient and confident. This is very important. Never lose the hope. You be confident and be patient. Depend on yourself, don't depend on others. The second important, most weightageable point is, collect the 3 years question papers. At least you have to collect 3 years question papers. Solve only these 3 years question papers. 2023 at present, what the students know, the June question paper, then 2022 both supplementary and annual, then 2021. These three, 2021, 2022, 2023, these question papers with the supply you have to collect it, and that question paper you have to solve. Only question paper you have to solve. No more extra questions. Only question paper I am telling. And if 2 marks questions also you will get from that question papers only. Okay, so my request to you all, either it may be 10 marks or it may be 5 marks or it may be 2 marks, all questions will become from the question paper 2023, 2022, 2021. From these 3 set question paper only. 3 set means here 2023 you will get 1 paper, 2022 1 supply 1 annual, 2021 supply annual, means totally in 5 question papers only your examination setter will set the questions, and you will get more than 50 plus marks by solving these 5 question papers. So you just solve these 5 question papers and you go in a cyber center for today only. Take these 5 subject question papers, means take these 5 set of question papers and start from practicing today only. Are you getting what I am telling? Start from practicing today only. If you practice a lot, you will get a good experience, and also try to write the points in the lengthy way. Just you need to understand the concept. This is our third point. Okay, what is our third point? Understand the concept. Don't write blindly. If you write the blindly, means somewhat you will get clumsy there and you will leave the answer. Means you will forget everything if you read everything, means no. You try to remember the points, important points, and try to expel the answers. Means you try to elaborate that answers. Okay, make that answer big. You can write in the own sentence, in the own word, create the answers by yourself. Okay, this is the most important third point. Now our fourth important point is, in clearing the backlogs. See here, fourth important point is, prepare your notes from today only. Now what's the notes, sir? Sir, we have to write all chapter wise? No. Notes means that only, question paper notes. That only you prepare and keep, and while you are preparing, you will get some basic idea. This, for this question we have to write like this way. Okay, you will get one basic idea, so that you can easily write the answers in the examination. When you read the for your examination, or before 2 days or 3 days when you read for that, definitely you will get very easy. What you have wrote, that answers will be very recallable. So my request to all is just prepare by yourself before the examination only. Don't keep held the work for the exam. Exam is there, we will read after 1 month, means how? If 1 month is remaining, we will read at that time. No, in 1 month you cannot read and you cannot clear your backlogs. You are having a good opportunity. And pharmacy, see, just you take some question papers and observe. Okay, every question paper, every year question paper what is coming, no, that question paper is printed as the question papers, means what is in your previous year question papers, no, the same questions are printed in the upcoming question papers only. This is 100% truth. You take anyone, because all the experienced candidates, they will take the question papers only and they will solve that all. Okay, I will try to solve from myself. I am telling from myself, I will try to solve some question papers. Okay, maybe from 6th semester I will start to solve the question papers. Are you getting what I am telling? This is our how to clear backlogs for the next semester. Now, when is B pharmacy exam? B pharmacy result. B pharmacy result, still the practical examinations are going on. After the completion of the practical examination, uh, within 1 week you will get the result, within 1 week. So for these all important updates and breaking news, and also how to important and for important questions and notes and all, you have to subscribe our channel Legend Pharmacy and turn on the bell icon for the further notification. Thank you.